Hi, my name is Oля and today I'm gonna show you makeup tutorial on this makeup look. So let's start. So let's start with base, and this is BB cream that I'm using. I do very thin layer. Okay, to cover some dark spots and redness on my face, I'm gonna use this TheSaem Tip Concealer. I really love it. For contouring, I'm using this Sheglam contour in the shade Soft Tan. And the last step is setting powder. So I finished doing my base, and now the most interesting part. I'm gonna use this palette, very little cute palette, and actually I dropped it. That's why it looks like this. It's just a warning, don't ever, even by accident, drop your palettes. It hurts to see. It hurts to see it like this. Oh my god, I broke it even more. I showed my personality in literally 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm using this pink color. Do you even see me? Okay, this pink color first. It's like the first layer. So I'm just going everywhere just to set the tone of the makeup. Go under as well. Just lightly add this pink color to your face. It looks really cute and I love it. Actually, it's really fast makeup, so it's not gonna take you a lot of time to do it, even if you're like busy and you need to immediately go out. Okay, and basically I'm gonna use only this palette here. Now I'm using this color. It should be darker. You see it's like pinkish, and this is more like beige, but it's still pink, but with more beige color. But it looks really pretty when you combine it in one makeup. So use this color. So now we're using it here. Close your eye and just go like this. It should be darker, and it always looks beautiful. When you open your eye, it gives you like more depth, and it looks amazing. Use the same color here. In the corner. You see, you go from the center till here. White pencil on the lower lid. It will open up your eye. And then you draw this line. It should follow the shape of your eye. So like this. It will make sense later in the makeup, so just draw it now. Okay. Okay, the line looks way too precise, so I'm gonna just go over to blend it a little bit, but I'm not using any shade, so it's like clean brush. And just blend it into the makeup. On the upper lash line, I'm gonna use this jumbo eye pencil. What is this color? It's frappe. Okay, this amazing color. And just use it on the upper lash line. Okay. One moment, one detail, it's quite a big pencil, so whenever I'm using it on the upper lash line, it goes in this part. So if you have And so like this, small, add the dark line here as well, and blend it, and here as well, so it won't look as harsh. I want you to add what's this? It doesn't look really aesthetic, you know. Can I use this color and use it here? To balance a little bit the colors, you add the same color a little bit upper your upper lash line, so it will look more balanced, but not a lot. Okay. The highlight of this makeup is using glitter, and you know, like the way everyone does their glitter, it's just here, like the line. What I'm doing for this makeup is, it kind of looks like tears in some way, because I don't know, it just looks like that. I'm using it just like this, so it goes on your dark circle. I don't know if the camera shows it, but see, use it here, and it looks amazing. It's my favorite placement on the eyes right now, because I don't know, it's just, even if you have dark circles, it goes well with them for some reason. So, oh, I'm afraid you don't see this. Okay, now you see. You see the placement? It kind of looks like tears, you know, the way, like the thing you have after you cried, and it's like wet here. It looks like it's wet because it's glitter, and I don't know, it's just, it looks amazing. Maybe it's just for me, but I really like it. Okay, let's go back. Now, eyeliner. Just do your eyeliner the way you do every day, so yeah. It's the challenge of the day, you know? But it's still fun. Are they even the same? I don't think so. Okay, now I like it. Okay, eyeliner is done, and what we have left is just mascara. But actually I want to do my blush, highlighter before, and of course my eyebrows, and then I will do my mascara. So I'm using this very pinky blush, and I'll show you the placement for this makeup. So the placement is here, and quickly go. Oh, this is so interesting blush, because I literally used a little bit now, but it looks good. I just need to quickly, you know, I go even here, because it really goes well with the makeup, because makeup is pink. It just gives very cute detail. So now I'm using on the nose, on the chin, and here. It gives really cute like vibe. So I'm done with the blush. Amazing. For the highlighter, I'm using this Colorglam. It's very icy pink, you know, gives this vibe, and I'm using it here. little amount, you see, and the same here on the nose, under eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using my new pencil. I bought it literally 2 weeks ago. This this brand, Unleashia, I guess. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. And it has very thin applicator. I really love it. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. See how well it works on paint in the corner? Amazing product. I'm really happy that I bought it. Okay. It blends really well. So if you use a lot, it will just blend and just add the color to your eyebrows. So the difference is amazing. I love this product, so if you've been looking for like this very thin brow product, I'm really recommending it. Okay. This makeup really gives you a very romantic vibe because everything is pinky, your eyes are intense, but not really intense, not like smoky eyes kind of makeup, but I love this. I really have been doing it for maybe 3 or 2 weeks, and I'm telling you, I've been doing it every single day. So I perfected it. Oh, I love it. I don't know, tell me your thoughts on this makeup because I'm really obsessed. Okay, the only thing that is left is mascara. No, I want to give my lips more volume here. So I'm gonna use the same pencil that I used for my eyebrows and do some contour to give my lips this plump effect. For lips, I'm gonna use pink, but we have a lot of pink already, so I've been using a lot of different lipsticks with this makeup. I have this options. It looks like red, but it is not. It looks like more like raspberry color when you apply it. Well, on me it looks like raspberry color, but most often I used this lipstick. It looks like this. Goes amazing. It looks good. So I'm gonna use a little amount. I need to overline a little bit. Not a lot product because we don't want to look like too much of the pink. So 50-50, right? But if you add lipstick, okay, lip gloss, it will look so amazing. So I'm gonna use this lipstick. I literally have a little bit left of it. I really want to reorder it because it's so good. So I'm using it here to make this plump effect. And on the center. Look how pretty it is. Okay, the only thing that is left is mascara, so let's quickly do it. Oh, I'm in love with this makeup. I really hope you will try it because that's amazing. It's so curly, but it's amazing. Okay, our makeup is done, but the question is how to make it stay on your face. I have 2 products. that I really want to share with you because my makeup has never looked better, because these are really important things. The first thing, I've seen it everywhere. Okay, my hand is the mascara a little bit. Wait. So the first thing I've seen everywhere, it's this very little bottle, magic sealer. So how I'm using it, I always get, you know, this dark spots after wearing mascara for like a few minutes, okay, few hours, doesn't matter. But it doesn't matter what type of mascara it is. It's tube mascara. I have waterproof mascara, but it always leaves like this spots. So if you have the same problem or you have creases here, use this. This is such an amazing product. So how I'm using it is just I'm applying it over from this side. Yes, it's time consuming, but it will literally stay the same throughout the day, so it's worth it. So use it here on this side, and because I have this like spots, I'm using it from this side as well. Literally game changer. And I'm using it on the lower lashes as well, and from this side, so they won't crease if I accidentally like rub my eyes. I really wanted to share it because I was surprised how good it is, and that's why I was seeing it everywhere. It's really good. I'm also using this the contour over my upper lip, and it really stays the whole day, because when I eat, of course, it will like go away, but I'm making sure it won't. Okay, let it dry. The next product, it's Fix and Spray. I really wanted to share it as well. It's the same brand. It doesn't cost a lot, like comparing to the other like Fix and Sprays, but it gives you glow. Literally, I love it so much. Your skin looks moisturized. I'm gonna show you now because I'm waiting for it to dry. Honestly, I really recommend it because I was using a lot of Fix and Sprays, like very like expensive ones, but it didn't work as well as this one. So okay, let's use Fix and Spray. Do you see the glow that it gave me? I hope yes, because the lighting may be a little bit off, but the forehead, you see this, like it makes your face so moisturized, you know, it really looks amazing. So I really wanted to recommend it because I was really surprised when I saw the results. So yeah, so our makeup is done. I love it. I hope you liked it, so follow my channel and go on my Instagram, and see you next time. Follow for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.